Stop everything you're doing and listen to this. Do you suffer from yellow, brittle nails and fungal infections that never seem to end? Have you tried various products, home remedies, and nothing worked? Then pay close attention, because the ultimate solution to eliminate fungi and restore the health of your nails has arrived. Introducing AppaNail, a revolutionary treatment made from 100% natural ingredients that eliminates fungal infections quickly, safely, and without side effects. With an advanced and exclusive formula, AppaNail works directly at the root of the problem, penetrating deep into the nail and eliminating fungi from the very first application. While other products only mask the issue, AppaNail targets the cause, fighting fungi at the source and restoring the natural health of your nails. What makes AppaNail so effective? Its composition is made of natural extracts such as tea tree oil, aloe vera, and coconut oil, which together have antifungal, antibacterial, and regenerative properties. This powerful combination eliminates fungi without harming the skin, while also hydrating, strengthening, and protecting the nails. Goodbye yellow and brittle nails. Eliminates itching and bad odor, restores the natural shine of nails, strengthens nail structure, hydrates and protects against new infections. Visible results in just a few days. Imagine being able to wear sandals again, go to the beach, or show your hands without embarrassment. Now it's possible with AppaNail. The best part? AppaNail is completely natural, free from harsh chemicals, and safe for everyone, including the elderly and diabetics. Unlike other treatments that take months to show results, with AppaNail, you'll start seeing the difference from the very first days of use. Attention! The success of AppaNail has been so huge that the few units available are selling out quickly and are only sold in the official store. Don't fall for scams. Counterfeit products can put your health at risk. Get your AppaNail now before stock runs out. Click the link in the description or the first comment and transform your nail health today. Link in the description.